Hey friend, it's Simply T and I'm back with part 2 of my wig revamping video. If you like the hair transformation in the first one, stay tuned to see how I finally try it on. Alright, look friend, I finally followed your advice and I decided to start to watch the Power spinoff, Power Book 2, and I'm living. These new episodes are really taking me back to all the reasons why I fell in love with the show Power in the beginning in the first place. So if you have any more shows or movies you think I should watch, you know what to do. Go back in the comments and write them down below. If you like these videos, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell to see whenever I post some more of my crazy experiments. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Okay, so clearly I was starting to get into this hairstyle a whole lot more than I did when I first cut it. And now you just see me kind of messing around with the middle part, seeing how it looks with that, seeing how it looks with the side part, and just kind of feeling my beat, you know? I'm finally getting into this transformation. It looks like something. All right. So even though you saw me tie it down for the first time, I'm going to go ahead and continue to mold this frontal down and tie it down one more time and add some medium heat to the lace as well, just to make sure that it is sticking to my greasy prone skin and kind of continuing to help me get that natural front line look that I'm looking for. So even though I ended up cutting this bob a whole lot shorter than I expected to, I've got to say I really do like the length that it ended up being at. And I'm kind of feeling this style, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'm definitely going to hold on to this a lot longer now that I have finally revamped it into a new style. Now, if you enjoyed watching this hair transformation video as much as I enjoyed actually making it, go ahead and let me know by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And I hope you enjoyed watching me find a budget-friendly way of not having to come out of pocket to make a new look out of an old shabby wig. And if you want to see more of it, you know what to do. Go ahead and comment below.